Good evening, my dear friends. Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to PRCUMP. In today's session, we are going to give you a short demo, like what is the use of draft option here. In today's um aspect, you do not need to know because there is a particular option. Like as soon as you are clicking on this particular composing a mail, then suppose you are writing a particular mail body. Anything you have written over here, and after a particular time interval gone, if you are writing that particular mail, so just notice that this draft saved. So in earlier days what happened, that you need to save it as a draft. Means suppose you need to have a long mail, along with that some attachment, some words, some PowerPoint, some Excel, all these things are there. So what you need to do, you need to make an attachment, or sorry, make a draft, so that means after a certain period of time, when you are making the attachment, you know that you have made the proper mail and proper content, proper attachment, and then as just you open the mail, and then so there is a particular button called save as draft. But in today's aspect, you do not need to do, it is automatically get saved. Like I have written this much. Let's go to draft. Yeah, see, this is already saved. So this is the thing what I am trying to explain. So this is regarding today's option. Thank you for being with us. We guys used to present PRCUMP. Official website is www.prcump.org.in. Call is 8420879158. Email is dasnamal6@gmail.com. And used to may provide comprehensive certificate course on computer science. Also provide technical course like C, C++, VB, Java. Make maintenance on computers, sell dry fruits, and design manuscripts and posters. If you have any query on anything, please give us a call at that particular number, or you can WhatsApp us also that number. Thank you for being with us, and stay for more updates. Thank you. And one more thing, that we are waiting for more suggestion. Thank you.